So you just got your pre-qualification letter and you're a little deflated because it's not as high as you thought you were going to be. And it's your first house and you want it to be, well, perfect. This is Ron Wysocarski at Wise Home Team Realty, and I want to talk to you today about what you can do about a pre-qualification amount that's a little lower than you think you want. You know, old school would be, hey, just save more money and wait. And you can absolutely do that and save an extra 5 or 10 grand, and it will definitely lower your monthly payment by a little bit. But there's a trap in there. We're in a situation right now where interest rates, well, they might rise. And saving an extra 5 grand over the next 6 months sounds admirable and good, and you should do it. But the problem is that the rates go from 3 to, say, 3.5%. The savings of the bigger down payment gets washed away with the higher interest rate. You may end up with a higher monthly payment, which is lower purchasing power. Now, there's a second strategy I want you to think about, and it's not talked about a lot, so stick with me on this. What if there was a way to magically increase your purchasing power instead of $1,200 a month to maybe $1,250? That might be the difference between getting yourself into a home that's a little bit below the price point that you would want for the home that you're dreaming about. How would we magically add a few more dollars to your monthly qualification? Well, they call it buying the loan down. And what you do is you pay what they call a discount point. It's a fee that you pay to the bank, so instead of getting 3%, you might get 2.75%, or maybe 2.5% if you write a really big check. Now, a discount point is typically 1% of your mortgage, so if it's a $200,000 loan, that might cost you $2 grand. But the difference is, if you can get the monthly payment down just a little bit lower, you can increase your purchasing price. Now, think about this. What if you qualify for $175 and the home that you want is $200? And you need to find an extra $50 or $75 a month, and you're not getting a raise anytime soon. And quite honestly, putting $5,000 down is not going to make a dent in it. Buying the interest rate down could be your ticket to getting the home that you want at the price that you want today on today's interest rates. So if this strikes a chord with you and want more information, comment below so we can continue to help you out. We've got great lenders standing by to help you with this. This is Ron Wysocarski of Wise Home Team Realty.